Welcome back to KITT Raceway, the monster truck.
Halloween special, King of the Hill. Today we have 24
Brand new Monster Jam and Hot Wheels monster trucks. How about we use a little Halloween magic and get these unboxed? There's a heck of a storm in here. Let's see what happens. And there you have it. 24 monster trucks, freshly opened and ready to challenge the king. Welcome to the 2020 Halloween special, Monster Truck King of the Hill at KITT Raceway. Let's get this started. Here's the current King of the Hill under the protection of Darth Vader and the previous king. We have our cars. We'll randomly select the first 3 rounds will be the best of 1 and the best of 3 to follow that. All right, let's go over the track really quick. We have our standard 6-lane down to the transition point at 8 foot. Up a big hill, down a valley of fog, over a super jump, and all the way down to the finish line. Should be a great race. Okay, we're going to randomly select 2 cars. The first 3 rounds will be the best of 1. First up, Sparkle Smash. And they're going to take on Megalodon Zombie. Sparkle Smash, lane 4 and 5. Zombie Megalodon, lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set. Go! Sparkle Smash. Looking good with the first win. We'll put our winners right here by the majestic fog. We're going to take Donkey Kong against the Hulk. Hulk in lane 4 and 5. Donkey Kong, 2 and 3 for Mike Dulzinski. On your mark, get set, go. Wow. The Hulk is moving on. Sorry, Mike. Next 2, we'll take the limited edition Captain's Curse against Crustacean. Crustacean, 4 and 5. Limited edition Captain's Curse with the sweet glow-in-the-dark tires in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Crustacean. Wow, good race. Crustacean's moving on. Next 2, we're going to take the Mystery Machine against Spider-Man. All right, Spider-Man in lane 4 and 5. You know that's a popular Halloween costume. And what Halloween race would be complete without the Mystery Machine? On your mark, get set, go. Oh, the Mystery Machine's blowing him away. Hey, he made it farther. Good block. He's moving on. He's moving up. That'll make some people happy. Next 2, let's take the Ice Cream Man against one of the Ninja Turtles. All right, one of the Ninja Turtles. Can't remember who it is. Lane 4 and 5. And the Ice Cream Man in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Hey, look at that. He's pulling him away. Yes. Ice Cream Man's moving on. There he is. That's the first 5 moving on. All right, next 2. Let's take Scooby-Doo. I love this variation with these tires. Let's take them against the October. We have some colorful tires right here. It just seems right for Scooby to move on to the next round. Let's see who's going to win. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Scooby go. And he's moving on. Beat Scooby on the big end. October, I'm not sure how to say his name. Next 2, let's take Batman with the jetpack against Son of a Digger. Son of a Digger, Zombie Hunter in lane 4 and 5. And we have Batman in lane 2 and 3, who I have to say would look awfully awesome on the King of the Hill. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Come on, Batman. Oh yeah, looking good. And he's moving on, shaping up to be a good next round. Next 2, let's take the Fire Mohawk Warrior, and let's take him against Earthshaker with some zombie guts in there. And we have the heavy Earthshaker weighted down with zombie guts in lane 2 and 3. And we have the Fire Edition Mohawk Warrior in lane 4 and 5. Who do you have? Beautiful trucks. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Mohawk Warrior. Oh, that was no contest. And he's moving on. Next two, let's take the Zombie Gravedigger against the Avenger. I put this car in this race just for that skull. And he's going to be in 4 and 5, the Avenger. And we have the Zombie Gravedigger in lane 2 and 3. Ought to be a great race. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Avenger move. He's moving on into the winner bracket. Next two, let's take the other Ninja Turtle and take him against the Dragon. The Green Dragon is going to go in 4 and 5. And the Mutant Ninja Turtle is going to go in 2 and 3. Who do you guys have? I'm going with the Dragon. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Leonardo. Wow, that's a fast Ninja Turtle right there. And he's moving on. Next two, we're going to take the Pirate's Curse and take him up against the Fire Son of a Digger. Son of a Digger in lane 4 and 5. We have the Pirate's Curse in lane 2 and 3. Who's going to move on to the second round? On your mark, get set, go. Oh, looking good, looking good. Wow. And the Pirate's Curse is moving on. Final two, we have the Alien Mohawk Warrior against the Monster Mutt. The Mohawk Warrior in lane 4 and 5, and the Monster Mutt in lane 2 and 3. Look at those crazy tires. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Monster Mutt. Oh. Wow, what a come from behind win. I'll show you on a replay. Okay, here we go. This will be the trucks moving on to the second round. You know Sparkle Smash is going to dominate. Look at these trucks. Ice Cream Man, Batman, Mohawk Warrior, Avenger. We got a lot of sick trucks in this one. Let's take them in order. A household favorite, Sparkle Smash. In lane 4 and 5. I have to admit, the truck is really growing on me. And we have the Hulk. The old Sparkle has his hands full with the old Hulk. Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go. Old tight race, Sparkle Smash blowing him away. Yes! Look at the old Sparkle moving on to the third round. Next two, let's take the Mystery Machine against the Crustacean. We're going to put the Crustacean in lane 4 and 5, and we're going to put the Mystery Machine in lane 2 and 3. I really like that color combo. Get set, go! Oh, look at this Mystery Machine. And he wins. That was going to be a heck of a race. Uh-oh. The old Sparkle has his hands full next race. Next up, we have the October. Not sure how it's spelled. And we have the Ice Cream Man. All right, we got the Ice Cream Man in lane 4 and 5. And we have the Blue October in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at the Ice Cream Man. Yes, have to admit he's one of my favorites. All right, here we go. Ice Cream Man moving on. It's going to be a fast group. Next up, I have to admit my favorite Batman is taking on the Mohawk Warrior. Who am I kidding? They're all my favorites. They're Monster Jam and Hot Wheels. There we go. He's going to be in lane 4 and 5. And we have the Batman in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Mohawk Warrior blowing him away. And the Mohawk Warrior Fire Edition moving on. Next two, we have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle against Avenger. All right, we have Avenger in lane 4 and 5. We have the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at this race, good race. Wow, and he's moving on to the third round. I changed my mind. This third round is going to be the best of 3. And the final two, we have the Pirate's Curse, and we're going to take him against the Mohawk Warrior. Zombie Edition Mohawk Warrior in lane 4 and 5. Look at the alien on that thing. Then we have the Pirate's Curse in lane 2 and 3. Ought to be a good race. Okay, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Mohawk Warrior, I'll tell you what. That's 2 moving on into the final 6. It's a tough group. All right, you guys, here it is. The third round, best of 3. 2 of my favorite trucks coming up. All right, we got the Mystery Machine in lane 4 and 5. And we have my daughter's favorite, Sparkle Smash. Very pretty casting in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Come on, Sparkle. Oh. Looks like Sparkle with the advantage. Let's switch them up. All right, advantage to Sparkle. We got lane 2 and 3 will be the Mystery Machine and the Sparkle Smash in lane 4 and 5. On your mark, get set, go. There we go. Oh, look at Sparkle. Wow. Moving on to the third round. Well, somebody's excited about that. There he is. Oh, Sparkle. Here we go. Let's see about the Ice Cream Man and these tough-to-beat Mohawk Warriors. Fire Edition. Mohawk Warrior, lane 4 and 5. And we have the very heavy Ice Cream Man in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Mohawk Warrior. My gosh. Switch them up. We have the Ice Cream Man at the disadvantage in lane 4 and 5. And we have Mohawk Warrior in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Mohawk Warrior looking good. And he wins. Wow. And it looks like Sparkle Smash is going to have his hands full with the old Mohawk Warrior. Mutant Ninja Turtle against Mohawk Warrior. All right. We have the Mohawk Warrior Zombie Edition in lane 4 and 5, who's proven to be very fast, but yet this Mutant Ninja Turtle is equally as fast. Be a great race. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at the Mutant Ninja Turtle move. Wow. Out of nowhere, he comes back and beats them. Let's switch them up. Mutant Ninja Turtle at the disadvantage in lane 4 and 5. We have the zombie Mohawk Warrior with the advantage in lane 2 and 3. All right, Mohawk Warrior with the advantage. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Mohawk Warrior with the win. He's moving on. And then there were 3. Let's take the 2 Mohawk Warriors against each other to see who's going to take on Sparkle for the championship. We have the Fire Edition Mohawk Warrior in lane 4 and 5. And we have the Zombie Edition in lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, good race. Woo. Fire is with the advantage. Switching them up. All right. We have the Zombie Mohawk Warrior in lane 4 and 5, and we have the Fire Edition Mohawk Warrior with the advantage in lane 2 and 3. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at that, and he blows him away. He is moving on. Here it is, the championship. Sparkle Smash against the Fire Edition Mohawk Warrior. Who's going to take on the king? Let's find out. We have the Mohawk Warrior, who's proven to be very fast in lane 4 and 5, the awesome Sparkle Smash. Lane 2 and 3. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Sparkle. Good race, and... with the win. Yes. Let's switch them. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Sparkle with the lead. And he loses. Dang it. Switch them back. Advantage goes to Mohawk Warrior. Mohawk Warrior with the advantage in lane 4 and 5. Sparkle Smash now with the disadvantage in lane 2 and 3. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Sparkle with a convincing win. Switch them back up. All right. Advantage Sparkle Smash again. Let's see if Sparkle can drive straight. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Sparkle with the early advantage. Yes! Sparkle into the championship. And here we have it. The Halloween special conclusion. We have the current king of the hill, the Grave Digger, from the Retro 5-pack. Taking on Sparkle Smash. The fog's getting a little crazy. Let's get him up there. Okay, we have Sparkle Smash trying to dethrone the Grave Digger, the current king of the hill, at KITT Raceway, who I feel may be unbeatable in lane 2 and 3. Here we go. Championship. On your mark. Get set. Go. Come on, Sparkle. Ooh, it's a good race. She won! No way! Holy moly. Okay, at the disadvantage is Gravedigger. I can't believe I said that. Taking on Sparkle Smash, who is currently with the advantage in lane 2 and 3. Will Sparkle be the new king of the hill? Let's find out. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, Sparkle's looking good. She loses all the big end speed. I'll tell you, he caught her. Now the Gravedigger has the advantage. Okay, Sparkle Smash. Now, with the disadvantage, the Gravedigger with the advantage. On your mark, get set, go! Oh, look at this race, look at this race! Sparkle takes it back! Holy moly! Now this is some good racing right here. What a championship race. Gravedigger at the disadvantage in lane 4 and 5. And Sparkle Smash now with the advantage in lane 2 and 3. Okay, will Sparkle be the new king of the hill of KITT Raceway? On your mark, get set, go! Oh, Sparkle with the big jump. It's over. Wow! Sparkle is the new king of KITT Raceway. Is that shocking or what? Okay, you guys, there it is. There's the new king of the hill, Sparkle Smash. Hand selected by my daughter. I hope you guys all enjoyed this Halloween special King of the Hill here at KITT Raceway. And be on the watch for the next King of the Hill to see if the Sparkle Smash can defend its crown. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.